Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. So as we have started lines and angles, so I think this is our 8th part, okay, of this lesson, isn't it? So what we have did in our previous class, so what we have did, we'll just quickly recapture it, okay. So what we did, we have did some examples, and also we have started and we have completed first and second bit of exercise 4.2, isn't it? So today, so now we are going to solve remaining problems in such exercise, okay. So today we are going to discuss about the third problem, okay, what he had given in the question number 3. So you can see there in question 3, I didn't wrote the question here, I have directly written what he had given in the question and what we need to find, okay. So what he had given in the question, what here we have a simple figure. In this we can see two lines intersecting at a point. Here we have two, isn't it, straight lines. Here we have two lines, AB and CD are the two lines intersecting at point O, and from O to E another will be having one ray, isn't it? This is a ray which is starting from O and ending to E. It is not ending, it is just continuing through E, isn't it? So this is the ray, and here we are having two lines, that is AB and CD. These are the two straight lines, okay. So what he had given in the question, given lines AB and CD, okay, AB and CD which are meeting at point O. Here AB and CD are meeting at an point O, okay. So what about O to E? O to E is a ray which is starting from O and continuing at E, okay. So again what he had given, he had given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. You can see angle AOC. Where is angle AOC? This is the angle AOC. Here it is BOD. BOD is how much? Angle BOD is 40 degree as he had given in the question. Now what I want to do, I need, what we need to do, we need to find angle BOE. This angle we need to find, BOE, this angle we need to find, isn't it? We don't know this angle, first we need to find this angle BOE, and after that what we need to do, and reflex angle, reflex of angle COE. We need to find the reflex of COE. What is the reflex of COE? Reflex, what is reflex? Behalf of this remaining angle you have to write, okay. So this is a COE angle. We don't need to write COE, we need to write reflex angle. So behalf of this total value we need to tell, okay. If I take it separately, I'll be getting like this, isn't it? So this is C, this is O, and this is E. If I take this diagram COE separately, I'll be getting like this COE. So behalf of finding this, he asked to find reflex angle. Reflex angle, what is a reflex angle? More than 180 degree, isn't it? So opposite angle of this COE, that is more than 180 degree, we need to write here, okay. So we need to find the value of reflex angle of COE here, okay. So now coming to the solution, you can see clearly from here, from diagram you can see, if I remove this OE, what you will be getting? These two lines, isn't it? You will be getting these two lines. This is point O, and here it is CD, and here it is AB, isn't it? So now here he had given 40 degree, and here we have D, isn't it? You can see here through vertically opposite angles, both the angles are equal, isn't it? If I keep mirror here, I'll be getting the same image, okay. So if I keep mirror here, you can see this value and this value, both values are equal. Why? We have already discussed in our previous class about vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles, here two lines are meeting at one common point, then the vertically opposite angles are same, that is equal. So this D value is equals to 40 degree. It means that AOC angle is exactly equals to BOD, isn't it? So here angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. Why? Since vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles. Okay, so this how we got what is angle AOC. It is represented by D. And what about BOD? He had given in the question angle BOD is 40 degree. Therefore D value we have got as 40 degree, isn't it? Now again coming to the question, what he asked, angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. Why we have taken this? Because he had already given in the question. So as since given above, isn't it? Given above. So see here, angle AOC, we have got angle AOC or not? Yes, we have got the angle AOC. What is the value of AOC? We got it as 40 degree, isn't it? D is represented to angle AOC. So angle AOC is 40 degree, isn't it? So in the place of angle AOC, we can substitute 40. See here, if this is 40, it will also 40. Then again, on adding these both the angles, we got 70. If it means that if I remove 40 from 70, I can get this angle or not? So this is the thing what you have to do. So here I have got angle AOC as 40 degree. So therefore 40 degree plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree, isn't it? Now 40 is adding to this angle, unknown angle, isn't it? So what? We have to use additive identity, additive inverse of 40 degree. That is, we need to subtract 40 on both the sides. So here what I am doing, what I got, 40 degree plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. So subtract 40 degree on both the sides. So 40 minus 40, it will become 0. Here I will get angle BOE, isn't it? Here 70 degree minus 40 degree. So here angle BOE is equals to 70 minus 40, I will be getting 30 degree. So I have got the value of BOE as 30 degree. So since I have got this angle as, and what about this? This I have got 40 degree, isn't it? As this is 40, vertically opposite angle is 40. On adding these both, we are getting 70. 40 plus 30, I'll be getting 70. Now what I want to, what I need to find, okay, I need to find the reflex angle of COE. It means that reflex angle is more than 180, so we have to remove this and we have to find all this value. So how you can find? Here we know 40, here we know 30, here we know 40, but what about this? We don't know about this angle, isn't it? COE reflex angle. What is a reflex angle of COE? Reflex angle of COE, angle COE is what? Adding these all angles except this interior, we will be adding exterior angle more than 180 degree. So AOC, angle AOC plus angle AOD, AOD plus DOB plus DOB plus BOE, angle BOE. Okay, on adding these four angles, we will be getting the reflex angle of COE. Okay, so behalf of doing that, we can also find, okay, if we find this angle, we'll be getting complete 360. So if from 360 degree, if I remove this, can I get reflex angle? So like that also you can find. Okay, so now what I am going to do here, I don't know this angle. I have got AOC as 40 degree, BOE as 30 degree, and BOD already he had given as 40 degree. Now for reflex angle of COE, I need to find this value, isn't it? This value, I don't know this value. Can I find? Yes, absolutely. How? I can take this as straight line, isn't it? Yes or no, isn't it? See here, don't remember this. You take just a line AOB. From here, bottom angle, you will be getting straight line angle, isn't it? That is 180 degree. So from 180, if you remove 40 degree, then you will be getting this 140 degree, isn't it? So, okay, so AOD angle AOD plus angle BOD is equals to 180 degree. Why? From straight line angle, from straight line angle. Okay, so AOD we don't know, AOD plus angle BOD, yes we know how much, 40 degree. So 40 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now 40 is added